Hi everyone, my name is Dr.K.KARPAGAMBIGAI, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to see about the export procedures, that is offer and receipt of confirmed orders. Export procedures, particularly the offer and receipt of confirmed orders, are crucial steps in international trade. Here an in-depth explanation to help students understand these steps. The offer, pro forma invoice. The process begins when the exporter, that is seller, prepares an offer to the buyer, that is importer, based on their requirement. The initial offer is often formalized in the form of pro forma invoice. Key points. Pro forma invoice, a preliminary invoice provided by the seller to the buyer. It outlines the goods or services being sold, their prices, payment terms, shipping method, and any other terms and conditions. Second one, negotiation and acceptance of offer. Once the buyer receives the pro forma invoice, they may engage in negotiations regarding the price, terms of payment, and delivery schedules. Negotiations could lead to the modification to the offer before it's accepted. The key points are price. The buyer may request a discount or better terms based on order volume or market condition. Second one, payment terms. The buyer may ask for different payment terms such as letter of credit or open account payment. Third one, delivery terms. The buyer might seek changes to delivery conditions. Example, different instances such as FOB, CAF, etc. Third one, receipt of confirmed order. Once both parties agree on the terms, the buyer formally places the order by sending a purchase order or an order confirmation. This is the buyer commitment to the contract. Key points: purchase order, a document from the buyer to the seller confirming the intent to purchase goods as per the agreed upon terms. Order confirmation. In some cases, the exporter may send a confirmation back to the buyer stating that the order has been received and accepted. Exporter contract agreement. After the confirmed order is received, the next step involves drawing up a formal export contract based on the agreed terms and conditions. Here, the contract between the buyer and seller. Here, the contract outlines specific details such as quantity, price, delivery dates, payment terms, and legal jurisdictions. International law. Export contractors are subject to international trade laws and conventions, that is to ensure consistency and protect both parties. Community and communication and documentation. Here, throughout the entire process, effective communication is critical. Both parties must ensure all aspects of the offer, order confirmation, and contract are clear to avoid misunderstanding. Documentation. Offer, that is pro forma invoice, purchase order from the buyer, order confirmation from the seller if needed, export contract. Next, legal and regulatory compliances. In international trade, both buyer and seller must comply with the legal and regulatory requirements of their respective countries and international trade laws. This includes obtaining the necessary export licenses, complying with customs regulations, and following relevant tax laws. So this is our procedure. Follow the preparation for executing the order. The exporter should make required arrangement for executing the order, that is making and packing of the goods to be exported as per the importer specifications, getting the inspection certificate from the export inspection agency by arranging the pre-shipment inspection, obtaining insurance policy from the export credit guarantee corporation to get protection against the credit risk, obtaining a marine insurance policy as required, appointing a forward agent also known as customs activity. So this is important for handling the customs and other related matters. And also we have some formalities by a forwarding agent is nothing but when we exporting a goods, forwarding agent first obtains a permit from the customs department. He must disclose all the required details of the goods to be exported such as nature, quantity, and weight to be shipping company. So the forwarding agent has to prepare a shipping bill. The forwarding agent is required to make 2 copies of the port challenges and pays the dues. And the master of the ship is responsible for loading the goods on the ship. Once the goods is reached to the customers, the shipping order is the presence of customs officers. Once the goods are loaded on the ship, the master of the ship issues a receipt of the same. Thank you.